Okay. Hello everyone. We are going to see the inheritance in Python. Okay. So first we are going to create the class person, as we last class saw it. How to create the class person. Here also going to create the class person. Okay. We are going to define the init function, or we say in normal language constructor init. That's self. What is the use of self? That you know. It is give the current reference of current class instance of the current class. Okay. First name and the last name. There are two parameters going to take, and then we're going to assign the value. The self f name is equal to f name, and self dot last name equal to l name. Okay, l name, that's the thing. Okay, here we define the one construct. After that I'm going to create the one function that print name, and it is self. And after that, in this function we're going to print the two things: self dot name f name, comma, self dot l name. Okay, so that is the use of this function. So we just run it. Okay, and we just make sure it is working properly. So we create one object, p1 is equal to person, raw 80. Then I'm going to just print p dot okay, takes no argument. What happened if we same thing same. Okay, it's not some to stay. Person takes no argument in it. Here is the problem. This one. Okay, Robson's, that is the Rob is first name and last name is son. Okay, so this way we're going to create the class and we just call it. So now I want to inherit this class into the student class. Let's consider an organization. So there are multiple people. Okay, so every person has a name, or first name, last name, education, backgrounds. Okay, as an employee there are different type of employee, like IT employees, the account employees, then security is okay, then some trainers are there. Okay, so there are different type of employees there, but a person is common entity which everybody can access, and they can use the person class property, because every employee is an ultimately person, and every person have a name, last name, first name, their education, qualification, and background. So we will make a person is a super class, and student will be the, or any employee will be the last class. So I will create another class student. Okay, and just pass the class name into here as a argument. This is called the inheritance. In uh, Java we use to inheritance keyword, but here uh, just pass the argument to the child class. Okay, so we're going to define init. Okay, first name, f name, first name, last name, and year of graduation. Okay, so now to run this class, I want to first name, I want to last name, and year. Okay, in person class we have first name and last name. Okay, so that means the year is an method or object of the student class, not a person class. So we will take the first name, last name from the parent class, and we will take the year from the student class and print it. Okay, so we just Now we are going to say super dot init. Okay, init fname comma lname. So we'll take value of, we just override this value using this keyword, that is super dot init. So once we call the super, it will override this first name and last name variable. Okay, so it will call automatically above things. And here we're going to self dot grad year is equal to year. Okay, first thing, diff welcome or print student name, print stud name is itself. Okay, so print welcome student. Okay, self dot first name, self dot last name. So we're going to call this value here fname last name. So we're going to key to the class of year is self dot grad year. Okay, so we have created here student class. Okay, and now we have taken the value from the person class, which value we are going to take, first name and last name. So I will create the object of student, yes, equal to student here, like Rob son, the graduation is 2001. And now I'm going to print the s dot print student name with the 0 argument. It will say init take the argument but not 4. Okay, so we are missing self. Okay, welcome student Bromson to the class of 22 2001. Okay, so this is the way we're going to inherit the class, and this is the very simple and basic example for us, so we can do the things in more detail in the programming level class. So different type of constructor we're going to call, different things we're going to try it out. So please watch all Python series, so we come to know the what are the things we should know. Okay, so if you get the basic idea, this entire series or this is the playlist we have created to just get the basic idea. Okay, if you get the basic idea, you can just do it while doing programming. You come to know how to use that, how to tackle the issue, how to use this function, how to use the list, how to use that. If you come to know how to use it in while doing programming, ultimately you come to know how to use that and how to solve the problems. Thank you for watching video, and please do subscribe, comment on my channel. Thank you very much.